Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty meets expertise. If you're someone who loves multitasking products, today's review will be right up your alley. We're talking about the Physicians Formula Rosé Kiss All Day Glossy Lipstick. This lip color isn't just for your lips. It's a versatile product that claims to work on your cheeks and eyes as well. Let's get into what makes this all-in-one beauty stick worth your attention. The Physicians Formula Rosé Kiss All Day Glossy Lipstick comes with some serious promises. It's designed to be more than just a lip color. This product aims to provide sheer, buildable color to not only your lips, but your cheeks and eyes too. The formula is enriched with the 360-degree Total Defense Complex, which offers protection against harmful sun rays, blue light, and pollution. The multi-purpose aspect is a game changer for anyone who loves easy, on-the-go beauty. It's a product that truly focuses on simplifying your routine while still providing a healthy glow. When it comes to ingredients, the formula is dermatologist-tested and clinically tested. It's hypoallergenic, which is a big plus for sensitive skin. With this lipstick, you're not just getting color, you're also getting protection. The formula combines SPF, RPF to shield from blue light, and PPF, protection from pollution. All of that in one swipe. It's designed to fight signs of aging while delivering effortless color. Talk about a multitasker. As someone with a fair skin tone, I found this formula to be incredibly blendable and smooth. The texture is creamy and lightweight, making it easy to apply without feeling heavy or sticky. On the lips, the color feels hydrating and gives off a subtle glossy finish. It's not overly shiny, but it adds enough of a sheen to make your lips pop without being over the top. On the cheeks and eyes, the product delivers a light flush of color that feels natural. You can layer it to achieve a more intense effect, but I appreciate how it doesn't overwhelm the skin. One of the main benefits I noticed is how easy it is to blend. Whether you're applying it on your lips, cheeks, or eyes, it melts into the skin without leaving streaks or patches. And while I usually prefer matte finishes for my cheeks and eyes, I found this glossy formula to give a nice dewy look. For those with dry skin, this could be a real winner as it adds that healthy, hydrated feel. In terms of wear time, the product does last a fair while. On my lips, it stayed glossy for about 3 hours before needing a reapplication. For my cheeks and eyes, I found it faded slightly by the afternoon, but it wasn't drastic, and a quick touch-up was easy to do. Since this is meant to be a quick, everyday product, I'd say it's perfect for a low-maintenance beauty routine, but might not be the best choice for someone looking for long-wear performance. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros are clear. It's versatile, easy to use, and provides a healthy glow with protection against the elements. It's also a great option for people with sensitive skin, which is an often overlooked benefit. The creamy texture and buildable color are also huge pluses. As for the cons, I did find that the glossy finish might not be ideal for everyone, especially if you're a fan of matte textures. The wear time is decent, but you might need to reapply throughout the day, especially if you're on the go. Some might also find the price slightly high for a product that's meant to be more of a multi-use stick, especially when compared to other options on the market that offer similar benefits. In terms of value for money, I'd say this product is fairly priced considering the quality and the multi-functionality. You're essentially getting 3 products in one: lip, cheek, and eye color, along with sun protection and pollution defense. If you're someone who prefers multi-purpose products that simplify your routine, this could be a great fit for your makeup bag. However, if you're looking for something with ultra-long-lasting power or more matte options, you might want to look elsewhere. Now, if you're looking for alternatives, there are similar products out there like the Milk Makeup Lip Plus Cheek Stick or the NARS Multiple. Both offer buildable color and multitasking abilities. While the Physicians Formula version comes with the added benefit of SPF and environmental protection, the others might provide a longer-lasting finish, especially in matte formulas. To wrap it up, the Physicians Formula Rosé Kiss All Day Glossy Lipstick is a fantastic option for someone looking to streamline their beauty routine while keeping skin protected. Its versatility and skin-friendly ingredients make it an appealing choice, particularly for those with sensitive skin. The glossy finish and sheer color will appeal to those who love a natural, dewy look, But if you're after something more long-wearing or matte, you might want to consider alternatives. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so other beauty lovers can find us too. Your support helps us bring more honest reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Stay beautiful inside and out, and until next time, keep glowing with Beautyistic.